And throughout time, there's a lot of writing, so a lot of these museums have gone through, a lot of these theaters have gone through a lot of transition. Nevertheless, it rebuilt and it's gone. And in 1988, this is where Martin Luther King Jr. This is where Dr. King and Maynard Webster met their supporters for the March on Washington for Jobs and Civil Rights. The time capsule was buried in 1988 that has Dr. King's Bible, preaching, and a few civil rights relics. And in 2088, I'm 20 years old. I gotta dig it up. Yeah, I ate backwards. And all y'all, I'll say all y'all, have to have reservations because if you don't, it does take about 3 months. For those of you who are foreign, you need to reach out to your consulate. Now, this is the Department of Treasury to your right, and standing in front is none other than that rock star Alexander Hamilton. He was our first Secretary of the Treasury. And he actually inspired now we have more parties, but start off with the to the right we have William Tecumseh Sherman is known for his march to the sea. Now he burned and obliterated and destroyed everything from Atlanta to the coast. That was because he wanted to destroy and embarrass the resistance. To make a long story short, he took Savannah as his own and he gifted it to Abraham Lincoln as a This is the Washington Walk to the United States where crystal letters, menus, invitations, maybe nationals, but they don't work right. But yeah, you gotta get stuff in. I tell people, to the White House, so you might as well be speaker, right? Right here on Pennsylvania Avenue, America's Main Street. Nevertheless, we'll talk about Main Street later, but this is John A. Muslim. If you can't get a hold of the president, you can always go back to the office door of Mayor Muriel Bowser and does anyone know who Marion Barry is? I think we're former DC mayor known as DC, but there's actually a statue over here. It's so tiny. I take that. You feel like someone watching me and looking over your alright, we got things like the CIA. We have an FBI. That's crazy way to say. See, now look, now your face is gonna be on Facebook and an ad for the FBI come on, we are hiring. But they got your face now. Alright, so this is go to your top floor of the National Gallery of Art. Go to your top AI bots for fake customers, fake reviews, and so on, so on. Just to let you know how it works, I went on TikTok, and TikTok had this wonderful girl with spray that's supposed to give her the skin tag, and suddenly works and moles, and I said, well, it wouldn't let me save it. It wouldn't let me purchase it. Protect the American consumer. Yeah. So we have the National Gallery of Art here, and the Andrew Mellon Memorial Fountain, aka Zodiac Fountain, my favorite fountain in DC. That art was actually founded and funded. Long time to do this stuff here in America, and voila, here we are. This is your traditional, and over there is your contemporary modern art. And there is a tunnel underneath that will take you to each. This is the Canadian Embassy to your left. It is the only embassy here on the Canadian Embassy signifies our friendship with our Canadian cousins, and we think we can this year the world's longest international border than any two countries in the world. Here's the beautiful capital, Lady Freedom. She stands tall. She's made of bronze, 1,000 pounds. Now she faces east, and that is because simply the fact that the east like entrance to the building. But it also states that she faces east because it said that freedom shall never, no, the sun shall never leave. Now, for our newbies who just got on, do anyone know? Ronald Reagan, yes, Ronald Reagan, and I'm thinking but yeah, Ronald Reagan, no, he, you know why. Now, if that who knows? Listen, so they say that he faced west because he wanted to face home state of California. But I'm gonna look into that. Listen, there's truth in
I
everything, you
believe
know?
that. I'm from California.
I'm from California too. It sounds good to us, right?
What part of California?
Los Angeles, California.
Oh, I'm from Brentwood, Northern
Come
California.
on, Brentwood, California. Now, this right here is building the Department of Labor. So, it's taking the labor by a 40-hour work week, disability, and the age of 3 taking trash out for a quarter like I did. Yeah, so we have the child protection labor laws. Very basic. William Taft, Lord have mercy. William Taft. Now, again, to your right now, behind him is a 112-acre tower. Building 7 Star 27 we don't baptize in synonym.